Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man, motorhome wash man. So we washed it. We're going to wax it tomorrow. You can check out the before video of this. It's very nice. And we were doing the inside also too, but I won't show you the inside because it's not quite done yet. We just shampooed the carpets on the inside of it. Got all the mold off of the roof that I showed you earlier in the before video. I don't know if you can see it or not. I spent an hour on this roof here, detailing it. It's going to turn out real good tomorrow. It's going to have a gel coat on the roof, a brand new coat, and it'll be shining. I mean, it's going to be slippery and shiny, and then it'll be a nice coat of Carnauba wax on the bottom half of it. So it's going to be glowing, and you guys have a great day.